Hello viewers. Welcome to ChemSol. In today's video lecture we discuss pack tower. Pack towers are vertical towers used for continuous contact of liquid and gas and filled with suitable packing. Pack towers for absorption and distillation are usually cylindrical in cross-section and are made of steel or other alloys depending upon the fluids to be handled. Towers for air-water contact may not always be cylindrical, and have walls made of asbestos, cement, concrete, reinforced plastic, or redwood. Now we discuss the internals of pack tower. Main column having inlet and outlet ports. Grid plate for support of packing and gas and liquid distributors. Hold down plate to keep low density packing in place and to prevent fragile packing from disintegrating because of mechanical disturbances at the top of the packing. This is the schematic diagram of pack tower. Now it's time for feed arrangement. Liquid is introduced from the top of column distributed over the packing through suitable distributors. Gas is introduced from the bottom of column. This arrangement is for counter-current operation, which is mostly practiced with pack towers. It's time for uses. Uses of pack tower. Pack tower are mostly used for absorption or desorption. A very less use for distillation. Pack towers of low initial cost and low operating cost are commonly used for air-water contact like humidification, dehumidification, and water cooling. Okay, that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and ring the bell icon, so you never miss any future update.